Body camera footage captures the moment a 15-year-old boy rushes at San Bernardino County Sheriff's deputy with what authorities describe as a gardening tool. The video cuts off just as the deputy begins to fire. That 15-year-old, identified as Ryan Gaynor, was killed.
Where's he at? Hey, get back! Get back, you're gonna get shot!
Ryan, a 15-year-old with autism, sometimes runs to relieve stress or when he's overwhelmed. Attorney DeWitt Lacey explains this is what happened on Saturday afternoon.
Because the sheriff's department had been helped and had come out and either de-escalated Ryan or helped to kind of soothe the situation. And that's definitely not what happened. Officers shot Ryan, and adding insult to injury almost. After they shot him, they totally guarded him.
Upon returning home, a dispute arose because Ryan wanted to play his video games but needed to do his chores. He started acting out. That's when Gaynor's sister called 911, saying Gaynor had already attacked his other sister.
Yes, assault and battery.
Okay,
Yes.
so that's your brother and he's assaulting your sister?
Yes.
Okay.
Now he's banging on the door.
Does he still have glass in his hand?
Yes, he do.
When deputies arrived at the home on Iroy Road near Powhatan Road in Apple Valley on Saturday evening just before 5 p.m., Ryan Gaynor, wearing a teal outfit, approached the deputy at the front door. The deputy can be heard telling the teenager to get back or he'll get shot while pointing his firearm at him.
Hey, get back! Get back, you're gonna get shot!
Many are criticizing the deputy's response, saying less lethal rounds could have been used. But others believe in that split second, the response was justified after seeing that video.
I don't really know the family. I see the boy coming from the school bus usually on a daily basis. He'll walk by the front of my house and I'll wave. You know, he usually waves back.
Seeing that video, I don't know how much of a choice he had not to do what he did. A very, very, very dangerous job. And he had to go home to his family as well.
You just have to wonder, you know, even though the law covers that for them, what he did, was there an alternative way of dealing with it? You know, I mean, stun gun.
San Bernardino Sheriff Shannon Dyke Hughes released a statement on the shooting, saying in part, "Our social safety net for those experiencing mental illness needs to be strengthened. Our deputies handle seemingly insurmountable calls daily. Most of these calls do not end in violence, however. This one ended in tragedy for Ryan, his family, and the deputies who responded. Rapidly evolving violent encounters are some of the most difficult, requiring split-second decisions. While these decisions are lawful, they are awful in terms of our humanity. I feel for both Ryan's family and my deputies who will struggle with this for their entire lives." Some residents in San Bernardino on Thursday marched to protest the fatal shooting of 15-year-old Ryan Gaynor, a teen with autism, by deputies with the Sheriff's Department earlier this month.
I can't even sleep at night because all I think about is Ryan. It's just, Ryan, he did so much. People don't realize he would work at Million Mile Kids. He was teaching kids robotics. He was teaching kids chess. He was a mentor to younger kids.